Machine leg press. So sit yourself back and position your feet in the middle of the platform, shoulder width apart, and position your toes out slightly or upwards. You never want them facing inwards. From there, press the platform up, take out the safety levers, and hold on to the side just to keep your hips into the seat nicely throughout the exercise. You're then going to control down, keeping your knees in line with your toes, and then you're going to press that platform away, keeping the knees soft at the top. So you want to avoid locking out. So you're always keeping tension on the legs. Control down and driving up. Just bringing the load down to where you feel comfortable, but making sure you're getting a good amount of range, keeping those knees out and keeping your feet pressed firmly into the platform throughout the movement.